Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to change a bulb on a Nissan Micra, one of the rear bulbs. Okay, in this instance we're going to be using the indicator bulbs. Yep, and how you tell that, if your indicator's on the way out, one will flash a lot faster than the other one on your display. I'll do a little clip just after this part and show you how. Now, this is for Nissan Micras from year 2003 to 2010. So let's get to it. So once we've identified which side it is, all you can do is undo these two 10mm bolts first, okay? Using a ratchet, extension and a 10mm. Once you've undone them, they should just pull straight out. However, if it doesn't, sometimes they have a retaining clip on some of the other models, which goes into there. Mine's obviously either snapped off or I don't have it. If that's the case, all you do, screwdriver into there, a bit of rag around it so it doesn't scratch any of the paint, push it in, and then it should free the clip. Remove the cluster from the bulbs so you can see them. Obviously I'm going to be changing this one. Put that down to my safe. These are the bulbs we'll be using, so if you want to screenshot that, then you're more than welcome. What you're going to do is these should just twist out. Push in and twist. So it's only a slight turn, it goes in like that. Very slight turn. Line the two lugs up to the holes, like so. It's probably a two-handed job. You get the picture in like that and then push and twist. Before you put it back together, the best way to test it is get your key, unlock it, and if it flashes, you're in. Now, all you do is you put this back onto the bulbs and then bolt it back in so it's nice and secure.